is a coordinated test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Corpus Christi area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is the new Big 93.9.